rom-com and romantic drama. What was the most challenging and most rewarding part? And this is from Natalie Tomada ng Philippine Star.
Nakapag-warm up naman na kami dati ni Derek Lester sa Laguna Sangre. Diba, nakasubok na ng konting action doon. And yeah, siyempre, it's very different. Pero iba rin to. Ito kasing action talagang magsimula yung araw mo, adrenaline rush na yun hanggang gabi. So, pagkadating mo sa hotel mo, very fulfilling din. Diba? Kasi may mga stunts din na hindi madadali. Pero pag nagawa namin yun, it's very fulfilling. So yeah, it's very different. Siyempre, kahit paano, it's still very new for me. Pero, saya. Parang matagal-tagal ko rin gagawin ito.
That's pretty good answer kasi ngayon nakikita din yung versatility. And I remember working with Daniel in Laguna Sangre, but this one, Incognito, is a different level. So, good job.
Thank you very much. And now let's go to our next question for Richard Gutierrez. Hi, Richard. Okay, this is about Kapamilya. Yung previous project mo na The Iron Heart was a huge success. Palakpakan po natin, yes? So the question is, may pressure ka bang nararamdaman na dapat matapatan o mahigitan pa ang naging tagumpay ng The Iron Heart?
There's always pressure. And if you want to succeed in this industry, you have to shine with that pressure, diba? Pressure is always part of it. But there's a saying na you're only as good as your last project. But this time around, I'm very thankful that I'm surrounded by a great group of artists, a great group of creatives. And I think we're gonna push the boundaries again with this one. We're gonna elevate the action once again with this one. And this time around, ensemble kami. You know, hindi lang ako yung may pressure. Medyo napapasa ko sa kanila yung pressure. Diba? So, nadi-dissipate yung pressure, which is actually a better feeling. We're working as a team and, you know, the pressure is as a team. But we enjoy that pressure and, you know, we have no choice but to shine with that pressure.
Speaking of pressure, Richard, this one goes out to Daniel Padilla. As action stars, kumusta ang pressure that you're fully embracing action? And that is from Natalie Tomada from Philippine Star.
Hindi, wala naman silang binibigay na pressure sa akin. So, wala rin naman akong nararamdaman na kaba o kung ano dahil. So, I'm just doing my best, you know. So, anong kalabasan na, that's it, you know. Kung ano man, basta I'm doing my best and I'm proud sa mga nagagawa naming lahat as a group. Sa trailer pa lang, I'm excited. Parang excited na ako pakita rin sa airpod ko to. Parang punish siya sa akin.
I like that answer. You know, it's a good answer because, like, you know, in something like this, you gotta focus on yourself. You don't worry about anyone else. So focus on yourself. You are the one and only Daniel Padilla, right?
So, yeah, saka iba-iba naman ang timpla namin, ano. I mean, magaling si Tito Robby, mahusay, syempre, di ba? Ang tatay ko nandun din, ang mga tito ko, pero iba-iba rin kami ng timpla. Tingnan natin kung ano naman ang may offer ko. So, yun lang.
Awesome. Good job.
Such a humble answer, di ba? Tsaka ang nakuha ko dun sa sagot niya, imbes na pressure, may pride. Yung proud siyang, excited siyang ipakita na sa tatay niya, pero imbes na napapressure siya, parang excited siya na ipakita. So that's always good news at excited na rin tayong lahat mapanood at sumisigaw sila, "We love you, DJ." Yes, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito ngayon. At yun naman, pumunta naman tayo sa isang nabuong love team.
Yes,
Mula
love
rin sa
team.
isang Netflix sa Can't Buy Me Love. Yes. Kay, congrats din sa success as Bettina. But of course, ang love team na I'm referring to ay ang Snow Ring. Yes, Anthony Jennings and Marissa Cal, you are now together again sa isang project. So, can you tell us about your feelings nung natanggap niyo yung news na magiging part kayo together ulit sa isang project, you know, coming from the success of Can't Buy Me Love?
yung script. Tapos nung nakita ko na parang, okay, medyo may glimpse pa rin ng, yung pagka-snory. Hindi naman sobra, pero andun pa rin yung fun. So parang, sabi ko makaka-work ko ulit si Maris. And alam ko naman na masarap katabaho si Maris. Yung mga eksena namin talagang pumapatong-patong kasi dami namin naiisip talaga na pwede kong bato tong lines na to, tapos sabayan mo ng ganito, yung mga ganon. So parang laging nagbibigayan kami palagi sa eksena. Happy ako maka-work ulit si Maris.
Ako, super happy ako na maka-work ulit si Anthony. And, nung nalaman namin na action yung gagawin namin, as in sobrang excited talaga kami. Well, ako, may pressure kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakasabak ng action talaga. Ever. Siguro yung action lang na nagawa ko na dapa, ganyan. Pero,
galing niya.
mga ganon. Pero dito talaga may intense training. And then, happy kami kasi yung mga scenes na nagawa namin so far, funny. Nakakaaliw ulit. Kami na naman magbibigay ng happiness. And yeah, excited na makasama ko ito. Yeah.
Nakita nga rin namin sa trailer, may konting kilig parts sa dun.
Yes. Sweet.
Mga ganun. Oo, may
Teaser
abangan.
lang yan.
Teaser lang. Ano pa kaya yung mangyayari, di ba? But congratulations
Thank you.
on this project. Yes, okay. Now, let's go to our last...
He will be perfect for the role. Galing. Anyone else want to answer that one? Specific workouts?
Aside from like martial arts and tactical training, which actually kailangan talaga namin yun for the characters. I think a lot of cardio, strength training, but during our off days, more than anything, we play basketball. Kasi it also builds camaraderie within the group, aside from the staff and the crew, lahat kami nag-basketball. So, it builds a different rapport for the whole group, aside from just individual conditioning.
Miss Des, bakit hindi po natin i-livestream yun? Nagba-basketball po pala sila. Ang gagwapo naman ng mga nagba-basketball.
Diba?
Oo. Bakit gusto ko panoorin yun?
May mga footage yan, snippets lang.
Oo. As a fan,
Ito yan.
gusto ko panoorin. Ay, meron po. Pag day off. Oo. So, hindi part ng work. Oo. Now, speaking of basketball, Daniel Padilla, naka 7 3-points yan sa Star Magic All-Star Game. So, also, nagba-basketball na kayo. What's your go-to workout, DJ?
Yeah, ako, I played a lot of golf para
Parang grabe yung build-up ko sa basketball
Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi alam ng
mental
tao.
focus. Hindi. Ganun din. Yan, Muay Thai and basketball. Yeah.
Muay
That's
Thai
it.
and basketball. Okay, thank you. May gusto pa po bang mag-add? Maris, parang may gusto kang i-add?
Aside from muscle building, I needed to gain more para ma-keep up sa mga gagawin.
Oh, sarap naman ng ganung problem. Kailangan mo mag-gain. Oh.
So, kumain lang ako.
Ay, ang saya.
Order lang ako ng order sa mga lock-in namin.
O, diba? Ang tanong ko, go to workout, hihilita tayo ng kumain po ako.
Part of training yan eh.
Yes.
Protein,
Yung
yeah.
pero di ako nag-extra effort. So, yun yung
Sana all. Yes, but you look terrific. Kita naman namin yung pinaghirapan mo, Maris.
Thank you.
Okay, now, let's go to our next question. Ito po, I think, tanong ng lahat. And this is for Direk Lester and Miss Des. After seeing that trailer, na by the way, yun ang world premiere. First time din po mapanood ng cast yun. So, sabay-sabay natin napanood yun for the first time. So, ito po ang tanong. This is from Chad Rosete of Manila Feed. Sa bigat po ng casting plus bonggang location, gaano kalaki ang production at budget ng series na ito? And share with us your experience. Direct, this is for you. Directing Daniel, Richard, and Maris. Gaano kahirap for you? Labi naman yung gaano kahirap. Pero nagpumula tayo sa budget. Yes, gaano po kalaki? Miss
We
Des?
have enough, but di ba ang laki ng show? But with the help of everyone here, lahat sila talaga cooperative, team players. Di ba? Hindi kami nahihirapan. So, maximize namin yung taping hours namin, nagagawa namin yung dapat namin gawin because everybody is cooperative. Malaking bagay yon. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Miss
you.
Des. Ang
professional. Syempre, hindi naman natin masasagot yung actual figure. But Miss Des, would you say, syempre, you're the business unit head of Star Creatives. Would you say this is one of the series na may one of the biggest budgets po sa ating history? Kasi nakita natin yung trailer, grabe. Opo.
Tama lang, pero meron kaming way to do things. Kaya ganyan siya kalaki, pero okay naman yung budget.
Oh, wow.
So yung answer na yun, okay lang yung budget.
Yes.
Sometimes there's times na kailangan mag-save din. Save on expenses. Alam natin yan.
Tinalinuhan po ng Star Creatives to. Kita-kita
Yes.
nyo, di ba? Ang laki ng budget, pero tinalinuhan natin yan. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes,
Yes,
Ian.
yeah.
Ako po, sa tagal ko na sa showbiz, ito yung pinakamalaking nagawa ko na project. Hindi talaga, kasi I mean, the locations, we shot in Nido, Italy, and grabe yung scenes and boats and yung mga sabugan and all the effects. Sobrang laking, aside from the cast. So sa akin personally, this is the biggest series na I've made.
We felt it nga po dun sa trailer. May payate pa bigla, mga ganun. Grabe talaga. Okay, Derek Lester, would you like to add to that?
When it comes to budget, I may say we are very fortunate with the support of ABS-CBN. Hindi naman siya sobrang laki, but it's enough na pinagkakasya. But the biggest part of it is we have the support of all the cast and the crew that we are very efficient. I think that's the key there. It's very efficient, meaning when the call time is 8 a.m. At 9 we are grinding already, and then sasagad kami until 9 we reach. We are very, very efficient with the help of and the cooperation of the crew. We wrap after 12 hours. We go home. We are in our hotel rooms after in 30 minutes time. That's something very different. And then dahil yan sa professionalism ng buong crew at buong cast at lahat ng producers. And then one thing that is different, if you ask me kung gaano kahirap, actually, all of these guys made my job very easy because they're really the best in what they do.
Well said, Derek Lester.